Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's interesting topic is uh, what to know about ventricular assist devices. Ventricular assist devices are mechanical pumps surgically implanted to help a weakened heart pump blood throughout the body. They are used mainly in patients with advanced or end stage heart failure to improve blood circulation, prolong life, reduce symptoms like fatigue and breathlessness, and enhance the quality of life. Unlike artificial heart, ventricular assist devices assist rather than replace the heart's pumping function. There are different types of ventricular assist devices depending upon which part of the heart they support. Left ventricular assist devices, LVADs, help the left ventricle pump oxygen rich blood to the body. Right ventricular assist devices assist the right ventricle to pump blood to the lungs. Biventricular assist devices, BIVADs, support both ventricles. Ventricular assist devices can be used as a bridge to transplant therapy for patients awaiting a heart transplant, or a destination therapy as a permanent treatment for patients ineligible for transplant, or a bridge to recovery, temporary support after heart surgery or events. Ventricular assist devices typically have internal components implanted near the heart and external components such as power sources and control units connected through tubes passing through the skin. Continuous power supply is essential for the pump to function. Some ventricular assist devices provide continuous blood flow, which may mean patients do not have a normal pulse but still receive adequate circulation. The device improves organ function by increasing blood flow, letting patients breathe easier, have more energy, and return to activities. Implantation is done through open heart surgery, and in some cases, the heart may recover enough to remove the device. In summary, ventricular assist devices are life saving mechanical pumps that support heart function in severe heart failure by improving circulation, quality of life, and serving as a bridge to further treatment options like transplantation or recovery. Thank you. Please subscribe.